Good morning everyone and welcome to Vienna. We're in the heart of the city and today we're going to do the Ringstrasse tour. But first we have to make our way out of the city to the start of the tour. Anyway, the city is absolutely amazing. It's like much more refined than all the other old cities we've seen in Europe. Come along and you'll see what we mean. This church in the heart of the city, it's off the charts, inside and out. That's one serious church. Now we're starting to make our way through the city. So this city is just, compared to the other cities in Europe, this city looks finished. Everything's amazing. Oh, she spotted the chocolate shop. Not for her, of course. Swiss chocolate. Well, there's no calories in this shop. The chocolate in this shop works out to be between $100 and $150 per kilo, depending on which one you choose. $100 to $150 a kilo. Based on that, I didn't buy any. I like chocolate, but fair dinkum, that's a bit rich. All the big brands are here.
I think have shock in the Vienna.
Shock?
Because too much good build, good history, good beautiful, amazing place.
Amazing place, yes. And a place you can blow some dough pretty fast. One of the local delicacies, apple strudel. These people are all lined up to try and get some. Must be good here. Wow. Chocolate shop number 2. I think the prices here are a little less terrifying. This amazing building here, and in the square in the middle we've got these ancient ruins they've uncovered. Got down here, what have we got here? Romanesque, Moran, Roman walls, 1st to the 5th century. This one here says walls of the parade ground, 16th to 18th century, this big wall section. Over there they've discovered they have a drainage system from the 19th century. Here, this is the remnants of a Roman house with murals and underfloor heating from the 2nd to 4th century. Underfloor heating from the 2nd to 4th century. I thought that was a new thing. Now we go over here past all these people. We've excavated the ruins a bit further here. And more fundamental Roman foundations there. So there's an absolute mix of history here in this hole in the middle of the square. Oh, what's that over the back? Roman road. 1st to 5th century. So it's an old shit here. Amazing. Crazy fountain. Seems to be pretty typical of this part of the world. A lot of duress going on. Attacking serpent. Very, what's an eagle? Unhappy eagle. This guy's carrying all the weight. This dude's in trouble. This guy's looking up. There's a little bit of modesty here. Got the old fig leaves over the junk. Through out the other side of that complex now, and the amazing stuff doesn't stop. Look at this building. Seriously. We've reached the start of our tour map. We are, I'm going to hold this, we are here. So our official tour is underway. Poszli, Maria, poszli.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Get your shit together.
Yes, let's get your shit together. Let's do this. These spruikers are everywhere selling tickets to concerts. Mozart, Beethoven, Vivaldi, the Four Seasons. Hello, no thank you sir. We're good.
Thank you.
Told you. Here, this magnificent statue sits between two wonderful museums. The Natural History Museum. Got some sort of preacher happening here.
Maria Teresa.
Maria Teresa. And what is this crazy man talking about? Oh yeah, Maria Teresa.
Maria Teresa.
So the tour continues, and according to my brochure here, we are doing a lap of the world's most beautiful boulevard. Well, it's off to a good start. Let's see what else there is to see. Another statue got here, and as always it looks like people can't help but touch him. Very polished foot. She's seen it, can't help herself. Yes, touch it, touch it. I think the city's used more bird netting than any other place in the world. Bergsgarten, Bergsgarten. Here we have the Palm House Cafe, and next to it is the Schmetterling House, or Butterfly House.
Today Sunday, поэтому because people here have
Relax in the park on Sunday. Yes. Tour groups everywhere here. And at the end, our man Mozart. And a fleet of photographers. The Bristol Hotel. The Grand Hotel Vienna. It's very nice. Our map even says we should have lunch here. Cafe Schwarzenberg. Whoop, sorry car. We're going in for apple strudel. Check out this classic strudel house. And here's Marina. What's she doing? On her telephone.
I think amazing place.
Amazing place?
Place. Amazing place. I'm waiting, amazing place.
Well, we're about to find out how amazing the apple strudel is. When in Vienna, you have to try the signature apple strudel with vanilla sauce, cream and jam. There can't be many calories in this. No calories, Marina, no problem. Delicious. Horrible. Marina, are you ready? You need to have some strudel.
Wow,
Come on, taste the strudel.
this is amazing.
Vanilla sauce.
Yes. Wow. This is better product.
Very delicious, isn't it?
Very delicious.
We've diverted off our course because we saw this wonderful fountain, and we've discovered that this is a Soviet monument, the Cura Slava Raborum. Yesterday, glory to heroes of the beautiful army. Okay, this is to do with the victory and defeating of the Nazis in World War II. I've noticed that every statue, regardless of who it's for in this country, always gets a touch of gold, or sometimes a lot of gold. We were expecting a beautiful river here, but it is a very nice stormwater drain. Our tour is now taking us through Stad Park.
No.
Found Johann Strauss in the park. And always a touch of gold. Well, he's completely gold. This is Field Marshal Graf Radetzky, and that is the biggest double-headed eagle I've ever seen. I'm pretty sure this is the Bundesministerium, and it's the ministerial building. Made it to the river, got some sort of floating club on the river that includes a swimming pool. we've diverted off our path and we've come back into the city. The last part of the walk looked a bit low on features. There's so much to see in the city. We've come back in. Well, that was our day in Vienna. Amazing city. Love just how refined it was and how beautiful everything was. I'd come back here again. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, Marina.
Bye bye.